You're watching DIYNate. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to my weekly content. Alright, one of the common issues you'll see with rental properties is having gutters full of stuff, because you rarely get out to a house and have it all the way cleaned out. So this one, you can see how these gutters are full and they need to be clipped. They need to be cleaned out and clipped down. So I'm going to be using a leaf blower for a lot of this. High power leaf blower, Ryobi. You'll see me hitting it up in just a second here. All right, here's the disclaimer. Word of warning and caution. Be careful working on a roof. It's naturally dangerous. Ensure you're wearing good gripping shoes. Don't attempt if you don't feel comfortable or if you've consumed any alcohol, drugs, or medication. Be careful with power leaf blowers while working on a roof. It could cause imbalance and instability. Finally, the video producer, that's me, DIYNate, has no liability for any harm or injuries from attempting this. Do this at your own risk. And please, please, please be safe. Okay, so right now you're going to see me using my Ryobi gas-powered leaf blower. It's a 2-cycle. Usually I'll start it up when I'm on the ground so that I don't have the risk of yanking a cord while I'm up on the roof. Kind of gives you a little more stability when you climb up there as well. Just be careful either way. And you can see how quickly and easily this shoots through the gutter. Sometimes people will use a shovel or a stick to break some things loose as well as they're working on it. And you can really get a good feel of how quickly and easily it moves through the gutter. I also would say if you're going to start up a leaf blower, it's probably best to do that on the ground level before you climb up, just to be on the safe side. But your mileage may vary. So with that, this has been just a fantastic approach I've found to cleaning out gutters. You take the leaf blower, you aim it down the pipe there of the gutter pipe, and you basically shoot out the debris. It saves a ton of time from you having to scooch along your backside on the hot roof. Here you're able to just walk and fire out the gutters. There's been a lot of commercials lately for leaf gutter cleanout and leaf gutter protection. So to me, this is so much better, and probably will save you a lot of money if you do this once every year or so, or even quarterly. In rental properties, I tend to do it every 2 years. You usually get some overflow with that. But really hope you enjoy this. This is my approach. I found it to be extremely helpful. All right, this has been another episode of DIYNate. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and check out my website if you get a chance. In the comments, you can find out how to get there. Really appreciate all this. Thanks. Have a great day.